morning everyone. Welcome to science class. We have completed portion in term 2. So, we are going to conduct half yearly examination for the kids after Sankranti holidays. So, we are giving revision. Before that, I am giving you pattern paper. Pattern paper in the sense how the question paper will come. This is the pattern. First, I will give fill in the blanks, true or false, question answers, match the following, name the following, and drawing also. Draw 2 fruits, 2 vegetables, and 2 types of houses also. This is the pattern paper, and first bit I am going to give you revision today. Fill in the blanks. First bit, fill in the blanks. We make paper from dash plant. Which plant? Bamboo. B-A-M-B-O-O. Bamboo. We make paper from bamboo plant. We get medicines from dash tree. Neem tree. N-E-E-M. Neem. We get medicines from neem tree. We eat the leaves of which leafy vegetable we eat? Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. We eat the leaves of spinach. We get dash from sheep. We get wool. Wool from sheep. We get wool from sheep. We make bags and belts with leather. L-E-A-T-H-E-R. Leather. We make bags and belts with leather. The dash gives us milk. Cow. The cow gives us milk. Birds eat grains with their beaks. B-E-A-K-S. Beaks. Birds eat grains with their beaks. The dash eat insects. Lizard or frog. Frog we will write F-R-O-G. Frog. The frog eats insects. Learn these, fill in the blanks and write neatly in your notebooks. Welcome to maths class. Already we have started revision in maths. First we have completed word problems. In today's class we are doing subtraction. Okay. Already we know subtraction. This is the revision. You have to do it on your own. Okay. Now, from which place we have to start? From ones place. Okay. This is ones place. 7 minus 3. How to do subtraction? Open 7 fingers, close 3 fingers. Open 7 fingers, close 3 fingers. How much? What is this number? 4. Write down here 4. Now 8 minus 4. 8 fingers open, close how many fingers? 4 fingers. What is this? 4. Write down 4. Remember, from big number only we can subtract the small number. 4 minus 3. 4 fingers open, close 3 fingers. What is this number? 1. Write down 1 here. 8 minus 2. Open how many fingers? 8 fingers. 8 fingers open. Next, close how many fingers? 2 fingers close. How many fingers are remaining? 6. Write down 6. Next, 5 minus 2. 5 fingers open. Close 2 fingers. What is the answer? 3. 7 minus 3. 7 fingers open. Close 3 fingers. How many fingers are there? 4. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. What are these? How many fingers are there? 4 fingers. Now, look here. Don't get confused by seeing 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6, how much? 0. 3 minus 1, 2. Next. From 4 can we take out 8? 4 fingers open, close 8 fingers. So how? We can't close, no. Now what we have to do? We have to borrow. Here we can't subtract from small number. This is the small, this is the big number. We cannot subtract from the small number. What we have to do? Borrow from next place. Okay? Cut this 7. How much we have to write? We are giving 1 to this place. So, 7 minus 1 how much? 6. Write down here 6. Bring that 1 here. Okay? 1, 4 how much? 14. Now, after 8, count up to 14. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 6 fingers. Write down here 6. Now again look here. From 6 can we subtract 7? From 6 can we subtract 7? No. What we have to do? Borrow from next place. Cut these 3, write down 2. Bring that 1 here. 1, 6, 16 now. 16 minus 7 we can do now? Okay. After 7, count up to 16. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers? 9 fingers. Write down here 9. Now 2 minus 1. 1. Okay? Next. From 0, can we take out 9? No. So what we have to do? From next place we have to borrow. Here is also 0 is there. What we have to do? Borrow from hundreds place. Now look here. From 4 we are taking 1 here. So write down 3. Bring that 1 here. 10. Is it clear up to here? After that, again we are carrying here. So what we have to do? Cut this 10, write down 9 and bring that 1 here. 1, 0, 10. Now you can do the sum easily. 10 minus 9 how much? 1. Okay. 9 minus 9? 0. 3 minus 1? 2. Okay. Got it? Don't get confused like this sums. Okay. Practice more sums. This is the subtraction. Copy down in your notebooks and practice more sums for the exam. Okay.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Hindi class. Today we are going to learn second bit. That is half-yearly revision second bit 12 khadi. In previous class, I have given you pattern paper and we have completed first bit R2 Gnan. Okay? Now, we will practice 12 khadi. Letters are K, Ch, T, T, P. 5 letters I have given you. 1 letter I will say. Remaining letters you have to practice. Okay? Look here. First letter I will say K. Ka. Ka. This is A की मात्रा. का छोटी ई की मात्रा की. का लिखकर बड़ी ई की मात्रा की. का छोटी ऊ की मात्रा कु. ओके. नाउ का बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा कु. नाउ नेक्स्ट रू की मात्रा का. रू की मात्रा दे तो क्रू. नाउ ए की मात्रा लो. का ए की मात्रा के। का लिखकर आई की मात्रा दिए तो कई। नाउ ओ की मात्रा, का लिखकर ओ की मात्रा दिए तो को। नाउ औ की मात्रा, दिस इज क। कम, कम पर तो एक ही बिंदु लिखना है इधर। नेक्स्ट कहा विसर्ग, ओके, दिस इज कहा। वंस रिपीट, क, की, कु, क्रू, के, कई, को, कऊ, कम, कहा. Like this you have to practice remaining letters also. Write neatly in your notebook, children. Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Telugu class. Mana Telugu class lo ee roju second bit half yearly revision first bit last class lo cheptukunnamu. Ee roju second bit. Enti second bit? Vachanalu. Vachanalu enni rakalu? Rendu rakalu. Ekavachana, bahuvachanam. మనకి ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్ లో ఏకవచనం ఇస్తే బహువచనం రాయాలి, లేదు బహువచనం ఇస్తే ఏకవచనం రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? ఈ రోజు మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? ఏకవచనం ఇచ్చారు. మనం ఏం రాయాలి? బహువచనం రాయాలి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ మీరు అసలు ఏమేమి ఇచ్చారనే చదవండి. కాకి, చెట్టు, దిక్కు, పిల్ల. ఓకే, బహువచనంలో మనం ఏం చెప్పుకుంటాం? కాకి అంటే ఒకటి, చాలా ఉంటే ఒకటి కంటే రెండు ఉన్నాయి, ఎలా పలుకుతాం మనం? కాకులు. ఓకే, కాకి, కాకులు రాయండి. కాకులు ఇలా చదువుతూ రాయాలి. ఓకే, నా సెకండ్ వన్ చెట్టు. ఇక్కడ ఒకటి చెట్టు ఉంది, అక్కడ బహువచనంలోకి వెళ్ళేసరికి చాలా చెట్టు అంటామా? లేదు, చెట్లు, చెట్లు, చెట్టు, చెట్లు, చెట్లు, టూకి లావద్దు, చెట్టులు అనరు, చెట్లు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ దిక్కు. దిక్కు, దిక్కులు. ఓకే, దిక్కులు. తాకి గుడి ఇస్తేది కాకి కొమ్ము, కూకి కావత్తు, లు, దిక్కులు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ పిల్ల. పిల్ల, ఒక్క పిల్ల, కాకి పిల్ల, కుక్క పిల్ల, అలా పిల్ల. పిల్లలు చాలా ఉంటే పిల్లలు. పాకి గుడి ఇస్తే పి, లాకి లావత్తు, లు, పిల్లలు. కాకి, కాకులు, చెట్టు, చెట్లు, దిక్కు, దిక్కులు, పిల్ల, పిల్లలు. మనం మాట్లాడే విధానం బట్టి ఇల్లు అనేది వస్తుంది అన్నమాట, సందర్భాన్ని బట్టి మారుతూ ఉంది. అంతేగాని చెట్టులు అని రాదు, సందర్భాన్ని బట్టి మనకి లూకి లావత్తు ఇవ్వాలా అనేది వస్తుంది. అర్థమైనా మీకు? ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ బిట్ వచనాలు ఏ పదం ఇచ్చినా మీరు రాయగలగాలి. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, ప్రాక్టీస్ వెల్ చిల్డ్రన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.